Hey guys, what's up? So this is what happens to your car when you let it sit for like almost 2 weeks. Look at my brakes. It's literally starting to rust. See that? Look at that. Look at the other one. This is the other one. This is, yeah, it's really rusty. And I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but in person the tire pressure is a little bit down. I'm gonna have to put some air in the tires. It's only been a couple weeks. As you can also see, the rust, it's getting worse. Look at that. The rust is getting worse. Look at that. I'll show you the last one and then I'm gonna end this video. Look at that, man. Just rusted out. That's why you don't let your car sit, and it's only been almost 2 weeks. That's the end of this video. Take care, guys.